Moomoo versus Questrade versus interactive brokers. Which is honestly better for you? In this video, I'll compare Moomoo, Questrade, and interactive brokers to help you decide what suits you best.
So to get started, Moomoo offers zero commission trading, real-time quotes, and sleek mobile tools. It's ideal for active traders who want detailed charts and extended hours, but it's newer in Canada and still developing local features. Questrade is well established in Canada and lets you buy ETFs for free. It's solid for retirement accounts like RRSP and TFSA, and it offers more traditional investing tools. Interactive Brokers or IBKR is a global platform with deep tools for serious investors. It supports multiple currencies, fractional shares, and extremely low fees for large volume traders. But the learning curve is steep. If you're just starting, Questrade has a balance of ease and flexibility. For active and technical traders, Moomoo is attractive. But for global diversification and pro features, IBKR is a top pick. Think about how often you trade, your account size, and your comfort with complex platforms. And that's which is honestly better for you between Moomoo, Questrade, and interactive brokers.